Hi guys, it's me Neptunes, or you could call me Raven. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to make an animatronic spawner. Animatronic spawner. And then make it creative. You can, and then select your world type. I'm gonna select flat and show your coordinates too. I'm just gonna pick any. No, I'm not that, but just okay. Now your coordinates should be right here. You know, it's okay. Now you will find some iron. Okay, here's the iron, and now all we need to do is find the dispenser. This right here, and then we need button, and then you put iron, and then you put the dispenser right. Put the dispenser right there. Then you put the other dispenser right there, and then you crouch. And to crouch, you need to double click on this, and then you add the button over here, and then another button there. So after that, you leave the game, save and quit, and then you add your add-on. That you can download this in the link in the description below, and then you get 2 of these, and then play. Okay, now you go to spawn. As you can see, when I added the add-on, the blocks changed. So now let's add the animatronics right here. This is where the animatronics start. For example, we add Healthy, Foxy, or Wither Foxy, or William Afton. Spawn Balloon Boy, Wither Bunny, Golden Freddy. About we add Spawn Baby, Scrap Baby, Spawn Baby, and then you just add your animatronic. And now you just add some ones, like for example, Toy Bonnie, Funtime Freddy, Mr. Hippo, Spawn Lefty. I like Lefty. Spawn Toy Freddy. Yes, I like Toy Freddy. Funtime. Oh, Chica. Funtime Freddy. Funtime Chica. Hi, Chica. No, Chica. replica did not work. Font right there. And let's try to find glitch trap. Okay, this glitch trap. And now we find William Afton. And then so it will work right now. Now that the animatronic spawner. Please like and subscribe if you like this tutorial. And see you guys. Bye.